Hello everyone. Mao na po nitong topic karong nga video. We have determining the equation of a line. So atong hibalon unsaon nato pag find ang equation sa line. Okay, let's get started. We can determine the equation of a line given ani. So una, pwede given ang slope o ang y-intercept, or that is the m and ang b, di ba? Ang slope is m and the y-intercept is b. Also, pwede pod kung given ang slope o isa ka point. That is, si m o si x sub 1, y sub 1. This is 1 point. And ang ikatulo is if given ang duha ka points. We have here 1 point, x sub 1 and y sub 1. Na po diri x sub 2 and y sub 2. So we have 2 points. So let's start with the first one. If given ang slope and ang y-intercept. If the graph of a linear equation has a slope m and y-intercept b, then use the equation y equals mx plus b. Nga naman, of course, given ang m, ang slope, unya ang b. So, dali na lang kayo, good lang ka mag-substitute. So, ang tawag ani is the slope-intercept form. Pag given daw ang slope o ang y-intercept, then we will use the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Let us have this example. Find the equation of a line whose graph has a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 4. Ayan, as you can see, given a slope, which is 2. So we have here given the slope is 2 and the y-intercept or b given pod, which is 4. So, sa giingon dere, if given ang duha, then we will use the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So, i-substitute lang na siya. Ipuli lang ni si 2 kang m, unya si 4 kang b. So, we have here y equals m is 2. So, we have 2x plus b, the y-intercept is 4. So, ayan. Man ang ato ang equation actually. Pero pwede po nato ni siya i-write into standard form, which is ato anang na-discuss atong previous nga mga videos. So, imo na to siya standard form. Simply, in the form ax plus by plus c. So, imo na to siya ginani. Ax plus by plus c. Kaya in case, pangayuan mo equation in standard form. So, we have here. So, as you can see, using the addition property of equality, shortcut na lang ta. So, we have 2x. Pagtabok mo ng negative 2x. And then, plus y equals valency positive 4 or C4. And then, since this is yet negative, so, multiply na to ang equation by negative 1 para mahimong positive cx. So, we have here 2x, negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x. Negative 1 times y is negative y. And then 1 times times 4 is negative 4. So we have another equation. Diba? This one, ouch, sorry. Ayan. So we have this equation and the original equation in slope-intercept form. So we have now the equation y equals 2x plus 4, or we have 2x minus y equals negative 4. Ayan, we already found the equation of the line having a slope of 2 and a y-intercept 4. Okay, so yun na. We'll have the next one. Kanina, we're given the slope and the y-intercept. This time, if given naman ang slope o ang isa ka point. So, pasabot, given kung unsa siya ka steep, unya, asa po siya ni agi ang ato ang line. So, we have here, kung kana po ang given, ang slope o ang isa ka point, so we will use this equation. Y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. So, we call this the point-slope form. Ano man, given ang isa ka point o given ang slope. Kaya point-slope form. Now, let us take this example. Write the equation of a line whose graph has slope of 4 and a point 3, negative 3. So, ibig sabihin, Ang slope niya 4 niya niagi po siya sa 3, negative 3. Okay, so ato ang tan-awon. We will solve that one. Sulat nato dere, we will identify the given. Given, we have the slope is 4. Unya, ang point na given is 3, negative 3. Ayan. So, we will assume this na mo siya si x sub 1 o si y sub 1 na ato ang given. So, we have here the solution. We will use another color. Sige daw, be. So, we have here, we will use according to this, gamito nato ang kana nga formula, which is the point slope form equals m times x minus x sub 1. So, you just substitute kung saan ang mga naa diha. So, y, copy lang na. Ang ilist na nato is the first y daw. Y sub 1 is negative 3. So, we have y minus y sub 1 is negative 3. So, negative 3 equals the slope is 4. And we have x minus the x sa given point is 3. So, we have here. Yan. And then, ato ano dining is simplify or evaluate. Y minus negative 3. So, that is negative times negative. That is may plus 3. So, we have y plus 3 equals, this one naman by distributive property, 4 times x, that is 4x. And then, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Now, we will rewrite it into standard form or himong sa nato ning standard form. So, in the form ax plus by equals c. So, now nato di si x. Pagbalhin diri sa pika side, this will become negative 4x, and then positive or plus y. So, ang tanang constant, iwalin sa pikas or magpabilin on the other side. So, we have negative 12. Ang positive 3 may himong negative 3. So, we have here negative 4x, simplify, plus y equals negative 12 minus 3 is negative 15. Since our coefficient of our x is still negative, so we will multiply this by negative 1 para maging positive. Negative 1 times negative 4x, that becomes positive 4x. Negative 1 times y, that becomes negative y. And negative 1 times negative 15 becomes positive 15. So, we have now our equation. 4x minus y equals 15. This is the equation. Ang slope niya is 4 and passing through point 3, negative 3. Alright. Next, so we have if the graph of a linear equation passes through the points x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2, then use this equation. Okay, if given daw duha ka points, natay 1 point and another point. So, actually, pareha yun ni sa ato ang equation ka ganina, nga formula. Pero kani diri nga part, since dili man given ang slope, so gilistan siya ani. Remember, mao man ni diba ang formula in finding the slope. So, ato lang gipulihan. So, remember that the slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Diba mo ni ang formula? So, katong m diri ka ganina, gilisdan lang. Tungod kay walay given nga slope. But we are given 2 points. Okay. So, ito naman, ang tawag dito ay 2-point form. Of course, kaya duha man ka points ang given. So, let us take this example. So, find the equation of a line that passes through the points 2, 3, and 4, negative 2, as shown on the graph. Pero wala man natin graph dere. Pero we are given the 2 points. Bisan pag wala gyatag ang graph, pero naa naman ang 2 points na i-identify naman. So, we have here the points 2, 3, and 4, negative 2. Mo ni ang given. So, this will be mo ni ang ato ang first point man siya. So, siya si x sub 1 o kaniyang pare si y sub 1. Kanipod, siya si x sub 2, yung pare si y sub 2. Aron, dili kay mo maglibog labaw ni nag-substitute nato sa atong equation. So, we will now solve this one. Okay, using this formula. y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Sub 1 dahil niya, dili ni x1. Okay, so we have here y minus the first y is, that y sub 1 is 3 equals y sub 2, so the second y, so we have negative 2 minus the first y, that is 3 divided by the x sub 2 or the second x, we have 4 minus x sub 1, the first x is 2. So we have here times x minus the first x is 2. So then simplify, we have y minus 3 equals negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 times x minus 2. Ayan. So, since naman tayo part diri nga fraction, ato ni siyang i-simplify muna to whole number. So, we will multiply this by the denominator. So, remember? Okay. Denominator is 2, so we'll multiply the equation by 2. So, we have here, isa-isahon nato ni silang tanan by distributive property. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 equals 2 times negative 5 over 2. So, cancel na ang nabilin is negative 5. And then we have, apil na ni siya, kauban naman ni sila, x minus 2. Ayun na siya i-multiply o apil sa 2. And then we will simplify this one. Okay, let's continue diri. Simplify na to. That will be 2y minus 6 equals negative 5 times x minus 2. Mamani dito ganina, no? So, atong ipadayon, we have 2y minus 6 equals, by distributive property, we have negative 5 times x, negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Then, himuon nato ni siya og standard form. So, into the form ax plus by equals c, we have negative 5x, ibutan natin sa unahan, so that will become positive 5x, and then plus 2y equals, ang constant ka nabilin, 10, and then ang constant sa pikas, negative 6, may mo na ang positive 6. So, simplify, plus 2y equals, 10 plus 6 is 16. Alright, so we have now the equation passing through 2, 3, and 4, negative 2. Hopefully, using this kanina. Okay, hopefully, nasabdan ninyo ang ato ang lesson. So, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to answer the activity provided at the end of this video. Thank you.